Hi everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to change the euros to pounds, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change euro currency to pounds on the Coinbase app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap on to portfolio option and here you can find the currency is on the euro. Now to change it, tap on to three dot lines at the top left corner just right here. Then tap on to profile and settings and here you can find the native currency option. Now tap on it. Then tap on to the search option and type pound just like this. And now here you can find all of the pounds on the Coinbase app. Now choose one that you want to change it into, just like this. And that's it. This is how you can change euros to pounds on the Coinbase app. Now trade on easily on the Coinbase app using your native currency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.